Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to approve a sponsor request on CashApp iOS. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. So unfortunately guys, I cannot really show you practically how to do it because for security reasons. However, I have this guide that you have to follow. So just open the CashApp application, locate and open the CashApp on iOS device. Go to the activity tab, tap on activity at the bottom of the screen. This will show you all of your recent CashApp activity, including any pending sponsor requests. Then find the sponsor request that you have to accept, review the request, and then just approve the request. If you want to approve it, then just tap on the approve button and just tap on the approve button next to the pending transaction, and this will complete the transfer of funds from the sponsor to your CashApp balance. And then you can just verify the transaction. And yeah guys, this is how you do it. Also remember, be cautious when approving sponsor requests and only accept them from trusted sources. If you have any concern, you can always reach out to CashApp support like this. Just go to Google, type in CashApp support, and you can just call them and share your concerns with them if you want to. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.